I absolutely love using this blow dryer. So I'm going to be showing you all today the Revlon one-step hair dryer. Hey you all, my name's Stephanie. Thank you all so much for watching today. I'm really excited to be showing you guys this video because I've actually had this hair dryer for I want to say like 3 to 4 months already. And I feel like this whole thing has literally changed my like everyday routine. I have not used any curlers or anything like that through my hair or a straightener. This is the only thing I've actually used in my hair today and I love it. I was kind of hesitant when I first purchased the blow dryer because I thought, okay, is it really gonna dry my hair? Is it actually gonna get to the roots? And let me tell you, I probably use this product every single time I'm gonna go out. Anytime I actually wash my hair, I have to use this hair dryer. So I'm not having to work both my hands. It's just one hand that I'm having to work with. I want to say today it maybe took me 15 to 20 minutes to finish my hair. So you're going to see that my hair dried super fast using this blow dryer. My husband and I recently just came back from a trip to Lake Tahoe, which you may have seen in my blog already. If you haven't, definitely check that out. I'll link that in my description below. If you see any like my hairstyles that I had out there, I use this blow dryer every single morning out there. Our first day, if you look at any of my photos, I can tell you that it ended up snowing, and even with the snow, my hair still stayed. So I love this blow dryer. I walked into the mall today and I saw a Dyson blow dryer that looks very similar to this. It was a little bit smaller than this. And I asked the lady, and I'm looking over here just to confirm, but I asked the lady how much. It's called a Dyson Airwrap, and it comes with the price tag of $550. I'm gonna tell you, this thing maybe costs $49 at ULTA. Okay, so for me, I'm gonna tell you, $49 compared to $550, I'll definitely go with this every single day. I love this hair dryer. Thank y'all so much for watching today. If y'all have any questions, please feel free to ask me. And I really hope you enjoyed today's video. So here I'm just gonna apply some Awapuhi Wild Ginger styling treatment. Next, I'm going to take a clip and just section my hair off. I like to start with blow drying my hair on a low setting closer to the root, and as it dries I like to switch to the higher setting towards the end of my hair. So once again, I'm going to be going back between high and low on my settings. That way I don't burn my hair. I know this sounds crazy, but I feel like the closer you get to your crown, the more important it is that you blow dry towards the front of your face. This helps give you your volume towards your crown. So here I'm gonna go ahead and section my hair off. I'm gonna section the front portion first, and once again, I'm going to blow dry towards the front. I'm now taking that back section and I'm blow drying it towards the front. This is really gonna help with your crown. So once I finish, I just kind of get a brush that looks just like this. What I usually do from here is I'll just like flip my hair like on the right side with the right part, and then I just kind of like pull my crown like this, and I really don't even have a perfect line as a part. It's kind of like it goes in a weird shape.